Here we have 2025 Mazda CX-90 and we'll show you how to engage the parking brake. In my case, the car is start right now, and in order to engage the parking brake, we will come on the right side right there. Notice there is a parking button option right there. We will have to press this parking button upwards. And there you would notice the parking option visible right there. Just like that. Now if you want to disengage the parking option, you would have to come all the way down, press the brake pedal right there, and then come back to that switch on your right side. This time we would have to press this downwards. And just like that, you would see the parking button option is gone. Notice there is no parking option right now, and I will go ahead and turn off the vehicle. You will see the parking option gets activated by itself automatically. Just like that. Now to get rid of that option, the bad news is you cannot get rid of that parking option while the car is turned off, because if we come to that switch right here, you press it up or down, you will see the parking option just stays there. And notice while I'm pressing this up and down, you will hear a sound. That sound itself is a proof that it stops you to disengage the parking brake while the car is turned off. Even if I press the brake pedal right there and try pressing the switch downwards, it would still not disengage the parking brake right there, and it's still activated. So if you want to disengage the parking, you have to turn on the vehicle first. Then we come down and press the brake pedal right there. Towards your right side, we will have to press this parking switch downwards. And just like that, you would notice the parking option is disengaged. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.